Hi, I'm David from NutricultureDGS, and today I'm here to tell you about a high quality contactor like the Black Box 4 in your grow room setup is an absolute must for every grower. Think safety first. So, you may be thinking that you can just plug your light into a mains outlet with a domestic contact timer. It's not a great idea. When using HID lighting, you should control your lighting cycle with a contact timer. This is because a normal domestic timer unit cannot withstand the high inrush current required to ignite a HID lamp. Plugging HID lighting directly into the domestic timer will cause the timer to prematurely fail and lead to a potential electric hazard, which then may result in your timer contacts fusing to your lights either on or off. So why use a contact timer? Well, the basic reasons to use a contact timer, particularly one with a built-in timer like the professional grass-link one on the Black Box, firstly is to control the inrush of current required to ignite the lamp, and then secondly to ensure that your lights turn on and off as they're required. Many plants require a certain period of light and a certain period of darkness. For example, to begin the flowering process, your light may need to be on for 12 hours and then turned off for 12 hours each day. The contactor will do this automatically when you set the timer like this. Then pressing the sections to indicate when the lights should be off. We've now set the timer to turn the lights on for 12 hours and then off for a further 12. To add or take away, simply push in or pull out the segments. Each indicates a 15-minute time slot. You can see here on the dial there are 3 settings. Now the switch is in the middle and indicates that the contactor is controlling the light by the timer. If they switch this to the top, the lights will stay on constantly. The timer is being overridden. When the switch is at the bottom, this indicates that the contactor is off. Your lights or any auxiliary products attached to the contactor will not start. Note, all Black Box contactors do not exceed the 13 amps each side. The total maximum capacity must not exceed 26 amps. Ballast will normally state their current requirements. A simple calculation to work out the ampage is to divide the wattage by the voltage. So, a 1000 watt double-ended lamp divided by the voltage, in this case 240, equals 4.16 amps. 600 divided by 240 is 2.5 amps. Two things: if you're using the super lumen or the plus 10% on your ballast, take this into consideration when calculating your ampage. Remember, don't exceed 13 amps per side. Secondly, don't plug both sides into an extension lead and wonder why the fuse on the end keeps blowing. Down to 13 amps. For maximum load capacities, please check this table. The Black Box 4-way connector is the most robust and cost-effective contactors on the market. So, why choose the Black Box contactor? Well, some of the key reasons growers love the Black Box contactors are the professional glass-link timer, which is used to each unit. They're accurate and robust, so your lights will ignite on time, every time. Each unit has rubberized moulded plugs, which won't degrade under the intense light discharge of the HID units. Handy hanging brackets screw into the wall. It keeps things nice and tidy. Switchable sockets, handy if you want to exclude a light or auxiliary unit from the timer. There are 2, 4, 6 and 8 socket versions available, suited for all scales of growers. For maximum load capacities of each unit, check out this table. So that's the Black Box contactor and how to use them. We hope you found this video useful, and if you did, we'd appreciate it if you'd click on the like button. Plus, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking below. Thanks for watching.